Today we're going to take down and put up the top on your 718 Spyder RS. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is, of course, open your doors. And then I'm going to pull this latch right here. I'm going to remove this. And there's a little spot right here where you get to put this in. You slide, it's kind of like a little seat belt there. I'm going to move over here to the other side. And the next thing we're going to do is open our rear trunk lid here. So I'm going to do that here on the inside of the car. Move back to the back. I'll lift up until this is out of the way. And now we're going to remove this part right here. And so to do so, pull up in this kind of motion to remove this little plastic part. You can see that. We're going to set that right there. I'm going to pull forward right there. Then that will release. If your trunk's empty, it's kind of best practices to start it here. We're just going to set it in the trunk. What you're going to do is you're going to pull all the way across until it's tight and kind of tuck that little piece right there and put it right in the compartment. Also like to put the glass towards the engine there for safety. The next thing we're going to do is disconnect the cable here. Now there's a little latch that's holding tension on this cable running across that pulls the top tight. We're going to push that away from us there, and it's going to release this cable. You can see it popped off right away on that side. If you lift this up a little bit, you can see where this bar is connected to our roll bars. Grab in the middle here and pull back, and you'll notice that popped out. Now there's a release latch under here. You're going to push the red button, pull down. You'll notice it dropped down a little bit. Now from here, you're going to give it some good support because the whole thing is going to come out. And you're going to set it down in this area here. Now a couple things you want to be aware of. You want to close this before putting down. That way it can sit nice and tight. Go over here and close the door. Close your latch. Close this latch. And you're all set. You have taken down the top. The process works the same in reverse. Gonna open our door. Gonna pull the latch. Gonna pull the latch here as well. Open this door. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the trunk here. First part of the process here is to put your top back on. And so what you want to make sure this is open again so that you can put it in the latch. You're going to put pressure here in the middle to keep it up and then close the latch on the inside. Once you hear that click, the top part's all set. We're going to roll this out to the back, and we're going to put our little support pieces here into the back of the roll bar. Pull your wire across the top. I'm going to hook in this side of the wire, and that's pulling tension on the top so it's nice and tight. I'm going to put the second piece here, and it even comes with a little tab in case you need to pull it, but it's not real bad. Pull that to close. Okay, now that we have good tension on our cable, we need to kind of put the back part of our top on. Get that out of the trunk again. I take it in the back here, set it down on this nice little part here, fold this out. Fold that out to that side. What I like to do is take this up and put the first little snap there, and then the second snap, and then of course our third snap. Then we're going to put our end pieces on, and to do so, you've got this little tab that goes into the side of the door, and this piece right here goes onto the pole. You can see where this sits on the bottom of the pole here. I'm going to take it around. I'm going to clip that in. Now we're going to close our rear deck lid. All right, all set there. To remove this part here, you'll push forward and lift up, really nice and easy. You've got this little rail here, it's gonna fit in this track. Drop that down in there. After that, push it down till you hear the click. See, it's nice and tight there. Same thing here, I'm gonna push in, lift up, put the track down into the rail there, and then push down. And you are now all set. You can take down and put up the top on your 718 Spyder RS.